For sale at McCarthy Cars, Lexus. Car has daylights. Car has privacy rear glass. Car has reversing camera, has rear parking sensors. Electric tailgate. Full black leather interior, ISOFIX. Full electric seat with memory, electric and folding mirrors. It's a very high spec car, has blind spot assist, collision warning, heated steering wheel. Automatic gearbox, Mark & Levinson premium car audio. Car has heated and ventilated seats. Car has satellite navigation. Has Bluetooth audio. 360-degree camera. Heads-up display. Thank you for watching.